Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily test. That is C program that creates a V pattern using asterisks and hash symbols. So, this program generates a V pattern based on the user's input, n. Let's break it down step by step. We start by including the necessary header files for input-output functions and standard library functions. Moving on, we have the main function. This is the entry point of the program where execution begins. We read an integer n from the user using scanf function. This n will determine the size of our V pattern. The next line, integer t, is assigned with 1 or 0 based on whether n is even or odd. This will help us determine the correct number of rows to print for our pattern. Now, here comes the loop structure. The outer for loop controls the rows of the pattern. It runs I from 0 to half of n, or half minus 1 if n is even, ensuring we generate the upper half of the V shape. The inner for loop handles the columns within each row. It runs j from 0 to n, allowing us to print characters in each row. The if conditional statement checks if we're at a position where I equals j or j equals n minus I minus 1. If true, it prints asterisk for the V shape. Otherwise, it prints hashtag for the remaining positions. And that's how this C program generates a V pattern using asterisk and hashtag symbols based on the user input n. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.